Here's a church that's under restoration, but it's still in use. You can see the altar is quite new looking. There's a mic hooked up to it too, but everywhere around the church, it needs renovating. So, of course, when the communists came around, they didn't take good care of any of the churches, and this is what happens to them. This one, at least, I'm guessing it's being restored. At least it's open to the public. But there are many churches around this country and in the regions that were occupied by the USSR that are just abandoned, just in ruins. It's just a shame. This church is particularly interesting because according to the internet, it's a Ukrainian Catholic church. And yeah, Ukrainian Catholics apparently is what this church serves. And yeah, so it's kind of the only thing about that. Right, usually with Ukrainians we think about Orthodox. Here's a flag and probably pictures from the war going on there. For a Catholic church, the iconography looks very Orthodoxy. It's a very cool blend, in my opinion, to see that. Now you can see the exterior of the church is not so bad. You know, the gate and the tower is pretty horrible, but the outside of the church, as you saw earlier, it looks new. So it looks like the outside has at least been restored. It's just the inside that needs some work.